This 2009 Silverado with only 80,000 miles is the lowest mileage LTZ Z71 within 1,000 miles at the time of this ad. Hello everyone, Carter Heiser, owner of Autorama Auto Sales here in Dickinson, North Dakota, AutoramaAuto.com. This truck is gorgeous. Greystone metallic, ebony interior, Z71 preferred package, or LTZ preferred package, Z71 appearance package. 4x4, that's automatic, 5.3 liter. Tow package, heated leather seats, remote starter, Bose audio. It's a 2-owner. It went through the 100-point inspection process with flying colors. We're going to buy you a 12-month, 12,000-mile powertrain warranty. That's good nationwide. Remember, we're the dealership without the outrageous hidden fees. It's got some newer wheels on it. Some other nice touches like the mirrored badges. It hasn't had a ball, hasn't had a plate. Got the access roll-up cover. The weather techs. We just changed the oil on it. I mean, this truck's ready to go. Where do you find a truck with less than 80,000 miles for less than $24,000? At Autorama, that's where. Again, you know, we got the warranty, we got the inspection, we got the no hidden fees, or no outrageous hidden fees. We have a dock fee. Spell that out right on the website. See it again, Autorama Auto Sales, Dickinson, North Dakota, AutoramaAuto.com.